you tell people that's a mistake, when you tell people you're mistaken, you might feel pretty good. I corrected them. I captured the mistake. I pointed out the error. I'm a hero. Problem is, the people you're telling this to hate you. They don't want to work with you. They don't want to cooperate with you because you're a pain. Now, mistakes are going to happen, obviously. And often you're the boss and you come across a mistake. How you handle it makes a huge difference. So we have to be very sensitive to how we bring up people's errors. And the best way to do it is to do it indirectly. Not rub it in people's faces, not push them down, make them feel small, make them feel bad. Genuinely, if people make a mistake, they feel bad. Their motivation goes down, their engagement goes down. In fact, as the boss, you've got to get it back up again. You've got to get them back on that bucking bronco to keep going in business. So we've got to be very careful how we handle mistakes. Where possible, draw attention to the mistake in a way that's not rubbing it in their face. Do it indirectly. Let them self-discover, or if they've realized there's a mistake, then let them tell you what they're going to do to fix it. That will be much better.